Hi guys, and thanks for checking out another video here at Black Stag Styling and AW Smart Repairs. I know I say another video, if you haven't already checked out some on the channel, do get on there. Lots of pickup styling, vans, hydro dipping, all sorts of stuff, vehicle repairs, all sorts of bits and pieces, so do get on there, have a look. We've got some cool vehicles on there as well. We've got some Ferraris, we've got McLarens, we've got the Toyota GR4, we've done some bits and pieces on them. And like I say, loads of pickups and vans as well. So get on there, have a look at some other bits and pieces we have done. But the reason you're joining us for today, I hope, is to check out another one of the Ford Ranger Wildtraks we have in with ourselves through Tyson Cooper, this one. So I'll put the link down below. Check out Tyson Cooper. Do give them a shout if you're after any pickup trucks. We also work with John Gross Ford, of course, as well. Check out either of the two and I'm sure they'll be more than happy to help. But this one is Tyson Cooper, so do give them a look. They can source you all sorts of vehicles and of course do the finance and bits and pieces as well. And of course then they come to us to be fully styled. So we're working directly with the customer to install all the bits and pieces he wants to have on his truck. It's in the agate black, this one, so it's the Ford Ranger Wildtrak in agate black, and it's the Wildtrak version, so obviously it's got a few different pieces that are upgraded already, but we have it in with ourselves as a brand new one, so 2022 reg of course as well. So starting at the front of the vehicle, we have we're going to be supplying and fitting the Predator matte black front grille, so there'll be all the relevant bits and pieces off for that and have that installed. We are also doing the front and rear light surrounds, so these are the matte black light surrounds, so we're supplying and fitting them. Again, they'll just go nicely with the grille. We are also doing the tinted wind deflectors that go above the windows, so we'll be supplying and fitting them onto the vehicle. We, most importantly of course, moving on to the sides of the truck, we are supplying, colour coding and fitting the 55mm wide arches, so they'll be fitted and bonded onto the vehicle. And then most importantly, to finish that look off, we have got some Black Rhino Chase matte black 20-inch alloy wheels with the Cooper AT3 all-terrain tyres, and they'll be fitted onto the vehicle just to add that last awesome finishing touch. A couple other bits and pieces to finish and then it'll be ready for the customer. So normal thing, please do like and subscribe to the old channel. Keep fully up to date with everything we're doing, and time to get this into the workshop and get cracking with some styling at Black Stag. Right, roll the intros and we'll see you in a moment. Here we go. Go for it, pal. Here we go, is our new Predator grille. Lovely. Looking lovely, nice change from the original Ford grille. These are a lovely addition to the Rangers, really, just making it look a bit more aggressive and a bit more modern. Clip in quite nicely, don't they, Paul, once the grille's been removed?
Well, I hope so. Yeah.
Right, so Paul is cracking on with the Ranger now. He's got the light surrounds all on, so I'll give you a look at these in a minute. So they're the matte black light surrounds. These are on the front of the headlights and of course on the rear lights. And he's now about to get the wheel arches on. So the wheel arches are the colour-coded 55mm arches. Look rather smart, these, because they look more standard. So we'll give you a quick look at these. He's getting them test fitted and lined up. And of course the light surrounds. There we go. So there's the rear light surrounds. Again, like I say, in the matte black. Rather smart there. Another one. So just add a nice little touch, take away a bit of the chrome. We move to the front of the vehicle. And here we have the headlight surrounds. Again, just take away a little bit of the chrome, give a slightly meaner look. Got the new Predator grille on. That's all on the vehicle. Like I say, Paul is now getting the arches all lined up and test fitted. And there's the arches on the back there. arches on here. So already test fitted this rear one, so we've got our markings that we put on, just so we can make sure they line up properly when he goes to bond them on. Like I say, these will be bonded as well as the sticky tape. The sticky tape will help hold them in place, but they need the bond as well because we don't want them coming off in the future. Right, here we go. So Paul's now getting the bond onto the wheel arches. There we go, look. Ready to get them fitted onto the vehicle. Well, we've already got two on, haven't we, Paul?
Yes, two on.
Two on, looking lovely. We'll quickly show you one of these, look. So that's that one on, one of the back ones. And Paul's now about to fit the other one on. He's ready and raring. Here we go.
Bonus.
And next job to do is the wind deflectors. So these are a tinted plastic wind deflector, stick on the outside of the doors. So Paul is now lining them up. Again, just test fitting everything, make sure they line up okay. We've fitted quite a lot of these now and they tend to be pretty good, so like I say, just a case of lining them up before we stick them on. Right, as you know, with everything we fit, Paul is just degreasing the areas before we put them on. Try it, Paul?
Yeah, so they don't fall off.
Give them a good degrease. So they've already been wiped, degrease the areas, and then pop them on, line them back up and pop them on. Yeah. Make it sound so easy, doesn't I?
Help. I would help, but you broke your sealant gun. Broke your sealant gun.
Cheap.
Right.
Cheap gun.
And then he's put it over there, and then I put my sleeve on it 3 times.
3 times.
That enough.
3 times, Paul, he put his sleeve in it.
3 times a lady.
3 times stupid.
Right, so there we go. So just remove the tape off, the film off the back of the 3M tape. Get them lined up and stuck on. Hello there, pal.
How we doing?
All good, mate, all good. What are you in the middle of, sir?
We are just changing the sensor valves out of the original Ranger wheels into these new wheels, the Black Rhino Chasers in a matte black.
They are nice wheels, these, aren't they?
Lovely looking wheels. Obviously you've got the Cougar tyres on too, the Ultra Range tyres.
Yeah, the Coupe AT3s, lovely, white lighting on them as well.
Oh yeah.
So you're just taking out the TPMS valves,
Just take them out, swap them into the other wheels, and then all the pressure system will all work as it originally did. You know?
Nice.
He's going to be chuffed, isn't he?
Definitely.
Nearly punched it, didn't I?
Done a nice job there, pal.
Watch your teeth.
Took my teeth out.
Watch your teeth.
Right, well,
Just put a little sensor back onto the valve here. Nice little screw on the bottom.
so for anyone who's wondering what the TPMS sensors look like, that is it. The little bit screws on the bottom of the valve.
Yeah, all made sensor now, doesn't it?
That perfect sense.
All made sensor now.
Right, there we go. We have another one of the Ford Ranger Wildtraks all finished for our customer, and of course working with Tyson Cooper. So if you're interested in anything like this, please do give ourselves a shout for the styling. And of course Tyson Cooper, if you want the vehicle sourced and financed, they'll be able to help you on that side of things. Links will be down below for them, so please do give them a look as well. But as you know, we have now finished the Ford Ranger. Lovely in the agate black, this one. And starting at the front, we have our Predator matte black grille. So that's been fitted, bumper removed, or the grille removed, the original grille, and the new grille fitted. Moving down the sides of the vehicle, we then have the, let's start with the wheel arch extensions, so the wide arches. These are the 55mm colour coded in agate black wheel arches. These are pretty cool, these, because they do look like a more of a standard finish to the vehicle. So rather than your big arches with the bolts, I think these are quite tasteful. And then of course that brings us nicely to the Black Rhino Chase alloy wheels in the matte black. These are 20-inch with the Cooper AT3 tyres with the white writing on. Of course they look really smart as well. That just finishes off the side look to the vehicle. Of course, not forgetting the lights as well. So we have supplied and fitted the matte black light surrounds, so that's the headlights and the rear lights. They look a nice little finishing touch, add an extra little bit of style to the vehicle. And then to finish, we have the wind deflectors. So these are the tinted wind deflectors. They're bonded onto the vehicle, stuck onto the vehicle, and just add a nice little touch. Of course, not forgetting when we fit the arches, they are properly aligned, fitted and bonded, as you'll have seen in the video. So do give us a shout at Black Stag Styling if we can help with anything like this. Vehicle's all done, ready to go back to the customer. So don't forget to like and to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications. We'll give you a last look around the vehicle. So stay safe. We'll catch you again hopefully for another video, and we'll see you soon. Take care.